front of me is TECNO Spark Go, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access personalization. Following that, hit on Online next to My Themes and select the best theme for you. You can pick one of those, click on one of those options, or tap on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. I will go with maybe this one. Then hit download at the bottom and select apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. In order to go back to your default theme, access Devices Settings again, click on Personalization, and click on My Themes instead of Online ones. Now you can access your default one and hit Apply. All your downloaded themes will appear over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!